Hello everyone. In this new video, we will continue improving the custom map design which we started in the previous video. So let's start with this one. I have made some adjustments in the map layout and made it a bit bigger so we have more space to test out things. The first thing that we are going to add is a vehicle spawner which will allow us to spawn vehicles in the map. In the search bar, type vehicle spawner. Drag this object and drop it on the floor. It will look like a round sphere. Go in the right side properties and here you can select the vehicle type that you want to spawn. You can select any. Make sure to enable the P auto spawn setting which will make the vehicle to spawn back after it is destroyed. Next setting is the time after which the vehicle will spawn. This is in seconds, so 30 value here means 30 seconds. The rest of the settings you can leave them as they are for now. If you want to control the vehicle spawn through online scripting code, you can also give it some ID, although it is not needed for this video. Duplicate the vehicle spawner object with Ctrl D and place it somewhere else. Select any vehicle that you want for this object. These vehicles will only spawn back after they have been destroyed or abandoned outside the playable area and the spawn time has passed. You can place some more vehicle spawns on the other team side as well. In the same way, we can also add stationary fixed weapons. Search for the stationary fixed objects. Make sure to place the object in this way so the middle point is just above the floor, otherwise the object will be floating in the air when spawned. The other settings are same as before and you can change them from here if you need to. Moving to the next thing, we will add an outline to show map boundary which will be visible in the minimap of the game. By default, this is not visible. For this, search for a sector object. Drag it in the map. You can place it anywhere. It will look like a flag post. I'm going to drag and move this sector object to the top in the scene hierarchy so it is easier to manage and organize the objects. Rename this to sector gameplay boundary. If you remember from the first tutorial, we had a combat area which defines where the game can be played. We will use that now. In the properties of the sector, go to sector area, click the assign button and here you will find the collision polygon 3D volume under combat area. Click OK to assign it. Now this map's playable outline will be visible when we will be in the game. If you want to show the outline for any team spawn area, you can do that also. We will simply duplicate the sector object and let's rename it to sector team 1 boundary. And now in the sector area, this time select HQ team 1 which is the team 1 spawn area. In the same way, create an outline for the other team as well. Duplicate the sector object and rename it to Team 2 boundary and assign the HQ Team 2 spawn area. Now these areas will be visible in the map. To show any objectives or capture points on the map, the process is quite simple. Go to the very first sector object that was the map outline and in the properties you will find captured points. Click the array button. We have 2 captured points currently, so we will add 2. Next, assign the captured points. Now all of these points will be visible with a white outline in the map when we play it. Save your map progress here. Next, we will add ladders in the map. Search for walkway ladder object. Drag this into the map. Rotate it while holding the control key to enable snapping and set it to 90 degrees facing the wall object. Some maps have different types of tall and short ladders as well. If you want to extend this ladder to make it taller, then it will not work. Instead, we can offset the second ladder position. For instance, move the second ladder inwards a little so there is a platform to stand on, and from there the next ladder starts going up. Another tip for adding vehicles is that if you want to just add one time playable vehicle which is not going to spawn after it's destroyed, you can go in the vehicles folder and drag any vehicle in the map. This can be useful when you are designing maps in the editor. It gives you an idea how it will look and how big or small the map is. And you can replace them later on with respawn points once your layout is finalized. Before exporting, save your map. Close this map and open it again so the export name is set correctly. You can also check the memory tool to see the performance. If you want to use this same map shown here, then I have provided a download link for it. You can download this map and the portal logic file also alongside. The map file you can place in your levels folder, open it in Godot and export your version. The portal logic file you will have to upload. Coming back to the online portal editor, use Sobek City as base and attach your new map file exported. In the teams, I will just set it to 2 players and 2 bots. In the rules editor, the first thing you need to do is to import the logic workspace. I have provided the file link for it. It includes all the portal Conquest logic. Credit here goes to Andy for making the original template. Import the JSON file and all the logic and coding will come with it. I have already set 2 objectives in it, so you don't have to change anything. But let's say you want to make any adjustments. I will show you some places where you can do that. One place is the vehicle spawn subroutine. You should change the map name to outskirts or whichever map you are editing. It should be same. The next thing is the ID of the capture points. If you see in the editor, we have 200 in this capture point A and capture point 2 is 201. So we have assigned those IDs here. Below are the vehicle IDs which can be spawned if needed, but we are not using them. We will spawn vehicles directly instead. You can study the logic, how it has been built. There are different actions, conditions which you can set. For instance, you can change the score, set the time limit, and other things. With practice, these logic rules become easier to understand, but definitely this may not be easy for first time users. Now set any image for map preview and make sure to save your experience. We will load the game. Go to My Experiences and you will find your map here. Click it and host it locally. Once the map loads, let's zoom out of the map. We have made our new map on the very edge corner, but you can see our whole map boundary is now showing in the map. Deploy, you can see that the bots are already fighting and vehicles are also spawning. Going towards the map boundary, You can see that the outline of the map is visible, showing where the map ends. The team spawn point and the capture points are also visible. The bots are also working better. They have custom logic script added to them. Let's destroy one vehicle and it should respawn back after 30 seconds. I will skip the time, and here the vehicle is back after it was destroyed. Coming to the capture point, you can see the user interface is now more better. Let's test the ladder system. We can climb the ladders, and this completes the tutorial. From here you can continue exploring this map template and test different things. If you like to see more, then please leave a comment or suggestion, give this video a like, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the battlefield.